everyone, we have an announcement to make.
Hey guys, real-time reviews here for another review. This time it's going to be on the SOLO Direct Fit Muffler for the 2019 and up Ram 1500 Sport. This is a direct fit muffler that replaces the OEM boat anchor huge muffler in the middle of the truck, obviously underneath. And this particular muffler is, like I said, direct fit, no cutting. You can put it on yourself for 45 minutes. Or you could take it to a shop, which is what I did because it's too damn cold. But this particular muffler, I chose it over the MagnaFlow and the Flowmaster units just because it had a more aggressive sound based on some of the sound clips I've heard about it. And I know Solo Performance does a great welding job on all of their units. They're all stainless steel and are backed by an excellent warranty. So this particular unit, like I said, amazing sound. I've got a bunch of sound clips, but let's just start it up with the auto start and see how it sounds. So as you can hear right away, it's got a nice burble. This is a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, so that's what you want it to sound like. Inside the cab, I haven't noticed any drone. The only thing I've noticed is that in weather such as this, when it's minus 28 Celsius, it is extremely loud on a cold start, and the neighbors will not like that, I guarantee it. But once it's warmed up, it purrs like a kitten. As you can hear, it's pretty subdued, but I'm going to follow it up with some sound clips. You let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. Let's go. So as you could hear, it sounds pretty good. It actually sounds like a V8 Hemi 5.7. Pretty impressed with it so far, but I'm going to keep doing updates on this channel. Whether that be more modifications. Yes, I have winter tires and winter rims on this thing. It doesn't look that good right now. But as for the Solo Performance exhaust / direct muffler, the information is going to be in my link below. As for the part number, where you can get it, the price, everything like that. And I hope you guys like this short video. Please subscribe, share, like, watch all my other videos if you like them, so I can keep going on this channel. And other than that, have yourself a great day.